Kaushik Ranchod from the Ranchod Law Group. I'd like to welcome you to our weekly Q&A session. Today's question was from a physician, and he was wondering if he can apply for PERM immediately after getting the H-1B, doing the Conrad 30 waiver program. And the answer is yes. I would highly recommend that you actually apply as soon as you get your H-1B, because that way you will ensure that you will be able to renew your H-1B in 3-year increments if the I-140 is approved, or if the PERM is approved in 1-year increments. And it allows a lot of time for you to get the green card, because for instance, if you get an audit, that can take over 6 months in certain types of situations, or if you have to appeal your situation, you never know what's going to happen. A lot of times what happens is people come to me at the very end of their H-1B time, so at the 5-year mark, let's say, and at that time, then it's almost too late, or it's very late in the game, because as you may know, you only get to stay in the US on H-1B for 6 years, and in order to extend the H-1B beyond the 6-year limit, you can do that in a number of ways. One, you can recapture time if you've been outside the United States. 2, you can do that, as I mentioned earlier, if you have a pending PERM for a year or longer, you can also extend your H-1B. Or if you have an approved I-140, you can do that as well in 3-year increments. Well, in order to take advantage of the last 2 benefits that I just mentioned, you really need to allow yourself at least 2 years to really give yourself the time that you need to take advantage of these benefits. So, bottom line is, start the PERM process as soon as possible, as soon as you can, and don't wait until the end of your H-1B time. I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it informative. And I want to acknowledge the fact that by watching this video, you're bettering yourself, because you're trying to obtain legal status or maintain your legal status, and then you're bettering your family by doing this and bettering our country. Thank you, and until next week. Click on the pictures above that best describes the service you're seeking. I'm attorney Kaushik Ranchod with the Ranchod Law Group. Whether you're trying to determine the type of visa or green card you qualify for, or just need tips on what to look for in hiring an immigration attorney, we have the answers. My team of professionals is comprised of many immigrants, and we understand how complex the process can be on your own. Give my office a call today for a free consumer's guide on hiring an immigration attorney.